Wordsmiths, hello. The word I'm going to take apart in this video is authentic, the genuine article, the real deal. It's an adjective, it's a describing word, and it means what I just said, genuine, real. Say a painting surfaced out of nowhere, and the seller says, I'm pretty sure this is a painting by Van Gogh, or an artist like him, or whoever it might be. Well, the museum that might want to buy that painting sure wants to make certain it's really by a famous artist from a century and a half ago, and not a knockoff the seller painted in his garage last week. So the museum sends experts to look at the painting, and they poke at the painting, and maybe they sniff the painting and determine its authenticity, whether or not it's authentic, whether or not it's real. And actually, the authentic pronunciation of Vincent van Gogh's name in Dutch is something like Van Gogh. This word's original meaning was something more like approved or authorized, which is reflected in its Greek origins. Auto means self, and hentis means doer, so authentikos is something like a thing I've done by myself, or I approved this. With that etymology in mind, what are some other words you can think of when you look at authentic? I'll put on the old record player and give you 10 seconds to think of some similar words. Here are some words I thought of. Author, a person who has written something, like the author of a book. Authenticate, to prove that something is true or real, like that art expert from the intro authenticating a painting. And automatic, describing a thing that acts on its own, like you don't need to turn the crank on an automatic pencil sharpener. Let's use authentic in a few sentences. Horace took his baseball to an expert to prove that its Hank Aaron signature was authentic. See, you're putting the baseball up on the scale, which, I gotta put something in there. How much does a baseball weigh? 5 ounces. This is 150 grams. Anyway, I don't know why you need to weigh a baseball to determine whether or not its signature is authentic. That doesn't make any sense. But you would probably take it to someone to review the signature and say, oh yeah, that's what Hank Aaron's signature looked like. If you want to make authentic enchilada sauce, you've got to start with whole dried chiles. Ta-da! That's supposed to be an ancho chili. What makes something authentic for you? What are those markers of authenticity? Give that a ponder. Why don't you? I remain authentically your most obedient servant, etc. You can learn anything. David out.